Hi, welcome to Naturally Gaited. My name is Jennifer Klitsky. Well, spring has finally sprung here, and it's the start of our smooth riding season. Me and my naturally gaited Tennessee walking horse Marvel, we have been working on improving our relaxation and balance, even rhythm and connection for a more balanced, evenly timed, and smooth flat walk with a head nod. Here we're showing it in regular and slow motion. Dressage is more than trot, and dressage has really helped this horse develop these qualities. And remember to subscribe so you can see the next video as it comes up. Thanks for joining us, and come visit us at naturallygated.com.